In the heart of a misty valley, a lone climber tracks the first light as dawn paints the ridges. He follows a braided trail of wind, river, and pine, each step revealing a hidden corner of nature's playground. A sudden thunderclap rattles the canyon, yet his calmness turns fear into focus, guiding him onward. He conquers a narrow ledge where distant summits glow and recalls mentors who taught patience, balance, and respect. At sunset, he records the day's map of courage, promising to protect the wild that sustains every daredevil.